Hi friends, welcome back to the heart and history of quilting. Are you ready to embark on a journey through time? Today we'll trace the incredible evolution of quilting, from ancient origins to pioneer homes. Long ago, long before quilting was the beloved craft we cherish today, ancient makers stitched layers of fabric for protection. In ancient Egypt, artworks show quilted garments dating back thousands of years. In Asia, warriors donned quilted armor to soften the blows of battle. These early quilts weren't just practical, they were symbols of skill and status in their societies. As we transition into medieval Europe, we see quilting take a decorative turn. Nobles showcased quilted bedcovers adorned with beautiful vines, flowers, and mythical beings. These projects were no overnight tasks. Often they took months or even years to create. Quilting became a vibrant language of beauty and storytelling. Then, quilting traditions crossed the ocean to the American colonies. There they merged with new materials and needs. Imported fabrics came at a high price, so thrifty women saved every scrap. They transformed worn shirts and faded dresses into beautiful patchwork. Quilting bees emerged, serving as delightful social gatherings where news and laughter mixed with stitches. As settlers ventured westward, quilts became essential companions. They warmed wagon beds, cushioned babies, and decorated the drafty cabin walls. Iconic patterns like log cabin, nine patch, and flying geese emerged for their simplicity and strength. Every quilt told a story, a journey, a family, a survival. From ancient armor to the patchwork of pioneers, quilting represents more than just fabric. It stands as a testament to human creativity and resilience. In our next episode, we'll delve into how quilts served as powerful storytelling tools. Don't miss it. See you there.